Good morning everyone. Are you ready for our next phonics lesson? So just like before, you are going to need a pencil and some paper, so go get those if you don't. And then remember, throughout, just press pause and then play when you're ready to continue. Okay, are we ready? Off we go then. Right, the first game we are going to play is going to be Quick Write. And in Quick Write, we are going to focus on words that contain 3 specific vowel digraphs. Okay, now remember, vowel digraphs are 2 vowels that are coming together to make a brand new sound. And the vowel digraphs we're going to focus on are A, O, and E. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to shout out some phoneme sounds and I want you to write down the right grapheme. So, for example, if I said S, you would need to write down the grapheme S. Okay, understand? That was our tester. That was me explaining. Right, are we ready with our first word? Okay, are we ready? Our first one is B, B. O, O. T, T. Have you done it? Well done. It should look like this. B, O, T. B, O, T. Press pause and blend that to your mummies and daddies. Well done. The word is boat. Are you ready for your next word? Okay, here we go. Mm. A. O. Well done. Have you done it? Should look like this. A. O. A. O. Press pause and blend that word to your mummies and daddies. Well done. The word is male. Fantastic. Right, are we ready for our next one? S. S. E. E. D. D. Well done. Have you done it? It should look like this. S. E. D. S. E. D. Press pause and blend that word to your mummies and daddies. Fantastic. Right, a couple more to go. Are we ready? Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Well done. Have you done it? Should look like this. O. 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 Press pause and blend that word to your mummies and daddies. Fantastic. The word is loaf. Right, one more to go. I bet you can't do this one. Are you ready? Shh. Shh. Well done. It should look like this. Sh, e, p. Sh, e, p. Press pause and blend that word to your mummies and daddies. Fantastic. The word is sheep. Great job, guys. Okay, so now we are going to quickly go through those tricky words. Real quickly, I'm going to show you the flashcards, show you the words, and I just need you to shout it back to me as loud as you possibly can. Are we ready? Here we go. Well done, it's the. 2. I. No. Go. Into. She. He. We. Me. Be. Was. You. They. All. Are. My. Her. Well done, everyone. I could hear you. Right, now let's move on to those new ones that we've just learnt. Okay, so we've been learning quite a few new tricky words recently, and we all know this one. Well done, that's so. And we all know this one. Well done, that's said. Okay, but there is also 2 more tricky words that we have learnt recently. Well done, well remembered. One of the words is have. Have. Well remembered. I need that pesky E on the end. That E that's there but is silent. We don't blend it. We don't say its phoneme. That's what makes it the tricky word. H-A-V-E, have. The word is have. Can you say that word for me? Well done. Can you say it a little bit louder though? That's better. Right, but there's one more word that we've also now learnt that we know. Well done, well remembered. It's like. L-I-K-E. But actually, this word we can blend. We just find it a little bit tricky at the moment because we haven't learnt the split digraphs. Can anybody remember what Mr. Atkinson said? Which 2 letters are our split digraph? Well done, well remembered. It's the I and the E. The E on the end is making the I say its name. I-K. Like. Fantastic. Right, okay, now we're going to play a game. Now we play this game all the time. It's going to be Splat. Now either you can press pause and get your grown-up to write the words out on a piece of paper like Miss Haytner's looks like on the screen, or you can just point at my screen. It's up to you. But if you want to write them out, press pause and quickly do it. Right, are we ready to go? So we all know how to play Splat. I'm going to shout out the word and you need to, as quickly as you can, point or splat the word. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. He. Where's he? 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. He's down here at the bottom, isn't it? Amazing. Right, on to the next one. Quick. Are you ready? Into. Where's into? 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Into's at the top over here, look. Amazing. Right, are you ready? We. Find we for me. Amazing, it's over here. Fantastic. Are you ready? Can you find like? Like. Amazing. Fantastic. Well done. Now, you could have a go at playing your own game at Splat at home. You could write out the tricky words, and if you had some splatters, you could have a go at playing splatters with your mums and dads. Give it a go. Right, now we're going to play a good game of circle blending. So I'm going to write a word, we're going to blend it all together, then we're going to see if we can keep changing the word into other words. It's really simple. Okay, so as I write the grapheme, you're going to blend it for me. Are we ready? Right, are we ready? Let's blend this first word together then. G, R, E, N. Let's do it again, one more time. G, R, E, N. Well done, the word is green. Fantastic. But how would I change green into grown? Listen one more time. How can I change green into grown? Grown. Press pause and tell the grown-up. Well done. Have you worked it out? How do I change green into grown? Well done. I need to take away the vowel digraph E in the middle, and instead there needs to be, well done, I need the vowel digraph O. Let's blend it. Let's see if we've got it right. Are you ready? G, R, O, N. Grown. Well done. Now, here's one though. How do I change grown into grain? Are you ready? Let's hear it one more time. Grown into grain. Press pause and tell your grown up. Well done. That sounds fantastic. So tell me again, how do I change grown into grain? Well done. I need to get rid of the O. But what sound can we hear? Grain. Grain. That's right. I can hear that too. I can hear the A sound in the middle. Well done. Let's blend it. G, R, A, N. Grain. Fantastic. Are you ready for the next one? Who can change me grain into stain? Stain. It's quite a tricky one. Are you ready? Grain into stain. Stain. Fantastic. I can no longer hear the g sound at the beginning. I can't hear the sound either. Brilliant. But what can we hear in stain? Stain. That's right. I can hear that too. I can hear a s sound. What, you're telling me there's also a t? that needs to go in between my S and my A? I think you might be right. Shall we blend it? Let's have a look. Stain. Stain. Fantastic. However, I've got one more. I'm going to challenge you. Can you change stain into brain? Amazing. I can no longer hear the S or the T at the start of brain. I'll get rid of those then. But what can we hear? Let's say it one more time. Brain. Brain. I can hear a B, B, B too. But what else? B, Fantastic. I need my Are you ready? B, A, brain. Brilliant. Fantastic blending. Right, okay, are we ready for our next job? So you're going to need your pencil and your piece of paper for this one. And what we're going to do is I'm going to say a word. We're going to ka-ching it. So when we ka-ching our word, we count how many phoneme sounds we can hear. What are the noises? What are the sounds we can hear in the word? So Miss Haytner will say the word. We will ka-ching it all together and count those sounds. Then when Miss Haytner says ka-ching, you're going to flash me your hand. How many sounds can you hear? Then we'll have a go at writing those graphemes to represent the phonemes, to those sounds we can hear. Are you ready? Okay, so our first word is flag. Flag. Let's ka-ching flag. G. Flag. Let's do it one more time. Let's ka-ching it. Let's break it up. Flag. G. Flag. How many? Fantastic. I can hear 4 phoneme sounds too. I wonder, do you think you could write down those 4 phoneme sounds you can hear? Flag. I'll say it one more time. G. Flag. Press pause. See if you can write that word for me. Amazing. You've done it. Flag. Shall I write down what I can hear? G. Flag. Does yours look like mine? If it does, well done. Are you ready for your next one? Right, are you ready for your next word? Are you ready to segment it, break it up into those sounds? Ka-ching that word. Here we go. The word is prod. Prod. Let's break it down. P-R-O-D. Prod. How many? How many sounds? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ka-ching. How many is that? Well done. I can hear 4 phoneme sounds too. Are you ready? Press pause and write that word for me. Prod. Fantastic writing. Are you ready? I'm going to write what sounds I could hear. Are you ready? P-R-O-D. Prod. Does yours look like mine? Well done. Right, are we ready? Here's the next one. Clock. Clock. Can you ka-ching clock for me? Well done. I'm now going to ka-ching clock. Here we go. K-O-K. Clock. How many? Count them for me. K, oo, o, k. Well done. I can hear 4 phoneme sounds too. Right. Can you write down the word clock for me? Press pause and have a go. Well done. Fantastic writing. This is what I could hear. K, oo, o. Now it's a tricky one, but I actually think it's a consonant digraph at the end. K, oo, o, k. Clock. Amazing. Now, it's coming towards the end of our phonics lesson, but we need to write a sentence. And as you can see, I've got 2 lines for this sentence, so I think it's got a lot of words. Are you ready? So I'm going to say the sentence, and the first thing we're going to do is we need to count how many words we can hear. Are you ready? A crab crept into a crack in the rock. Oh no, I think that's a lot. Let's count one more time. A crab crept into a crack in the rock. Have you got it? I'll keep reminding you as we go along. Let's see if we can write down the first 2 words. A crab. Press pause, have a go. Well done. Right, I'm going to write those first 2 words. A crab, a crab. Oh, that's it. I need to start with my capital letter. Thanks for reminding me. A crab, crab. K, a, b. A crab crept. Have a go at crept. Crept. Well done, it's quite tricky. K, p, t. A crab crept. Into. Well remembered. Into. Have a go at writing into. Well remembered, it is a tricky word. Into. A crab crept into a. Oh, that's easy. We've already wrote that word. But does it need to be a capital again? No, it's lowercase because it's in the middle of a sentence. A crab crept into a crack. Crack. Oh, let's segment crack. K, a, k. You have a go at writing the word crack. Well done. Crack. K, a, k. A crab crept into a crack in. Oh, that's easy. In. It's only got 2 phonemes. I. In. A crab crept into a crack in the. The. That's a tricky word. The. The. Well done. That was super quick. A crab crept into a crack in the rock. Rock. Fantastic. Rock. A crab crept into a crack in the rock. Well remembered. I need my full stop at the end. Fantastic. Amazing. Well done, guys. That was fantastic. I really enjoyed doing phonics with you today. But don't forget, on the email that we sent to your mummies and daddies, there was also a pack of lots of activities that you can do to help with your phonics. Also, on the spelling shed, there's all those lists of words that you can keep practicing. That would be fantastic. Oh, and don't forget about Active Learn, where you can read those guided reading books. Now, I hope to see you all very soon, but if not, I'll be back again next week for more phonics. See you later.